In some ways, arrays are fairly typical and similar to arrays in other languages. Each value is called an array element, each of which has an ordered location in the array with a numeric index to specify its position. Arrays in JavaScript are untyped, so that each value in the array can be of a different type or all of the same type, mixed and matched, even consisting of other objects or arrays. This ability to hold a variety of often complex types in each value opens up some possibilities of creating complex and flexible data structures. JavaScript array indexes are 32-bit non-negative integers that are zero-based. So you can have an array with up to some 4 gigabytes of values. Arrays are dynamic and can grow or shrink as you need without any requirement of declaring the size when you create the array. Arrays can be sparse, so you don't have to use all of the indexes, nor must all indexes be contiguous. However, array indexes are in numeric order. As you'll see, the array indexes are really just object property names that happen to be integers instead of strings. All arrays inherit properties from the array.prototype object, giving arrays a rich set of methods that you can use to manipulate arrays and their elements and values. There are 2 basic ways to create an array: using an array literal and with the array constructor. An array literal is simply a pair of square brackets that contain a comma-delimited ordered list of items to initialize the array with. Each array element must be a JavaScript expression, but most of the time you'll probably use simple literal data types, such as integers or strings. Here's some code that shows a few examples of creating basic arrays using array literals. This first statement will create an empty array literal array with 0 elements. This second statement creates an array consisting of 7 integers. This third example creates a mixed array with a variety of data types, including Boolean values, integers, an object with initialized x and y properties, a string, a date type set to the current date and time, and the value at index f in int array added to 1000. So the message of this example here is that you can use a variety of data types as well as expressions. So this is an object literal, there's a string, there's a constructor method that returns a date object, as well as an expression that reads a value from this array and adds 1000 to it. This last value shows how you're not limited to simple data types and can use expressions to set an array's value. And then this sparse array example creates an array with non-consecutive array elements. And then finally, weird array is an array with 5 elements all set to undefined.